Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your Snapchat Add Friends list. Now let's go ahead and get started. So there are multiple ways on how you could possibly fix the problem of you not being able to add friends. The first thing you could do is go to your settings, and then you want to go to General, so it's right here. You then want to click iPhone Storage, and this will show you all the apps and how much storage they hold. But if you don't see Snapchat, you can go and search it, but it's right here. You then want to click offload app, and then you want to reinstall it. Doing this does not get rid of any of your data. It just helps the app run smoother. Then you want to check out Snapchat and see if your add friends would work. And if this doesn't work, another thing you could do is just turn your phone off and on. Sometimes that works. And also, if you're going to Snapchat and trying to search for somebody by their exact username, it doesn't always work because sometimes they might block you, and therefore you can't see their username. They also could have changed their username, since you can do that now on Snapchat. So I hope one of these things helped with your problem. Let me know if you have any video ideas. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.